Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple photos at once. So first you go to album, and then if you usually delete a photo like this by tapping one photo and then delete photo like this is the slow way, but there's a fastest way where you can delete multiple photos at once. So you just tap on select on the top, and then you choose the photos you want to delete. Just tap on each of the photos. So for example, these photos, so 6 items selected, and then I can just tap on the bin icon on the bottom right corner and just delete the photo. So some items will also be deleted from 2 albums. Tap on delete 6 items, and then that's it. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.